Your destiny is not written in numbers. It is written in your weekly choices. Welcome friends. Welcome to Just 5 Weekly Numerology Guidance. ये सिर्फ प्रेडिक्शंस नहीं है. ये एक वीकली इमोशनल अलाइनमेंट सेशन है. हर वीक एक नई वाइब्रेशन लेकर आता है. इस हफ्ते इमोशंस दैट इज मून and discipline that is Saturn, communication Mercury और authority Sun का mixed impact रहेगा. इसीलिए इस वीक impulsive decision से बचना है और conscious actions लेना है. Let's start Mulank wise weekly numerology predictions. Mulank 1. Those who are born on 1st, 10th, 19th, 28th of any month hold the sun energy in them. In career, leadership opportunities मिलेंगे. Initiative लेना है लेकिन ego clashes avoid करने हैं. In romance, partner को reassurance की ज़रूरत हो सकती है. Singles किसी confident personality से attract हो सकते हैं. In health, बीपी और हेडेक्स का ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हाइड्रेशन ज़रूरी है. पानी पिएं. वर्क प्लेस में सीनियर्स आपको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. मोस्ट सपोर्टिव डेज फॉर मुलांक 1 आर संडे दैट इज 22nd February, रिकॉग्नाइजेशन एंड पावर. मंडे 16th February, इमोशनल क्लैरिटी. Lucky color for Mulank 1 for this week are golden and light red. Lucky numbers for Mulank 1 for this week are 1 and 9. Now, the affirmation for Mulank 1 for this week: I lead with confidence and calm strength. I repeat, I lead with confidence and calm strength. Mulank 2. Born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of any month, they are Mulank 2, holds the moon energy. In career, slow but steady progress, overthinking से बचना होगा. In romance, this week emotional bonding deepens होंगी. Heartfelt conversation का time है. In health, मूड स्विंग्स पॉसिबल हैं. स्लीप साइकिल बैलेंस करें. योर वर्क प्लेस, ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स से न्यूट्रल रहना बेस्ट रहेगा फॉर मुलांक 2 नेटिव्स. मोस्ट सपोर्टिव डेज फॉर मुलांक 2 आर मंडे 16th Feb, इमोशनल बैलेंस, एंड फ्राइडे 20th Feb, रिलेशनशिप हार्मनी. Lucky colors for this week for Mulank 2 are white and cream. Lucky numbers are 2 and 7. The affirmation for Mulank 2 natives for this week are: I trust my intuition and remain emotionally balanced. I repeat, I trust my intuition and remain emotionally balanced. Mulank 3. Born on 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, they are ruled by Jupiter energy. In career, creative ideas से recognition मिलेगा. Presentations के लिए excellent week है. In romance, fun and light-hearted moments are expected. In health, sugar control करें. In workplace, senior का guidance मिलेगा. Most supportive days for Mulank 3 natives: Thursday 19th February, growth and blessings. Sunday 22nd February, recognition. Lucky colors for Mulank 3 natives are yellow. Lucky numbers for this week for Mulank 3 native is 3 and 6. Affirmation for Mulank 3 natives: my creativity opens door to success. I repeat, my creativity opens doors to success. Mulang 4, Mulang 4. Born on 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, they are ruled by Rahu energy. In career, sudden changes are possible. Flexible रहना होगा. In romance, miscommunication avoid करें. In health, fatigue हो सकती है, sleep improve करें. In workplace, unexpected workload आ सकता है. The supportive days for Mulang 4 is Wednesday 18th February and Saturday 21st February. That will give them the practical clarity and stability. Lucky color for the week for Mulang 4 is blue. Lucky numbers are 4 and 8. Affirmation for Mulang 4 for the week: I remain stable and strong through changes. Mulang 5, Mulang 5. Born on 5th, 14th, 23rd of any month, they are ruled by Mercury energy. In career, deals, travel, networking के योग strong है. In romance, flirt energy high है. Clarity maintain करना बहुत जरूरी है. In health, energy अच्छी है, लेकिन impulsive habit avoid करें. In work, fast paced week है, multitasking से benefit होगा. Most supportive days for Mulang 5 are Wednesday 18th February and Friday 20th February. Communication success and networking gains are possible on these days. Lucky color is green for the week and lucky number 5 for the week. Affirmation: I attract exciting opportunities effortlessly. I repeat, I attract exciting opportunities effortlessly. Mulang 6, Mulang 6. Born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any month, they are ruled by Venus energy. In career, financial improvement is possible. Creative field favored. In romance, very positive week for love and harmony. Health, throat और sugar related issues का ध्यान रखें. Workplace, teamwork and success possible है. Most supportive days for Mulang 6, Friday 20th Feb and Monday 16th Feb. Love and abundance. Also, emotional bonding is possible. Lucky colors: pink and sky blue. Lucky numbers are 6 and 3 for Mulang 6 natives. Affirmation for Mulang 6 natives for this week are: love and abundance flow easily into my life. I repeat, love and abundance flow easily into my life. Mulang 7, Mulang 7. Born on 7th, 16th, 25th of any month, they are ruled by Ketu energy. In career, deep thinking से old problems solve होंगे. Risk avoid करें. In romance, space चाहिए होगा, लेकिन isolation नहीं. Health में meditation is very important for you this week. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Workplace, research and analysis favored है. Most supportive days for Mulang 7 are Thursday 19th Feb, spiritual clarity. Monday 16th Feb, intuition strong है. Lucky colors for Mulang 7 are sea green. Lucky numbers for the week are 7 and 2. Affirmation for Mulang 7 for the week: I trust my inner wisdom and move peacefully. I repeat, I trust my inner wisdom and move peacefully. Mulang 8, Mulang 8. Born on 8th, 17th, 26th of any month, they are ruled by Saturn energy. In career, hard work का result मिलेगा, but patience जरूरी है. इन रोमांस इमोशनल डिस्टेंस अवॉइड करें, फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस करें। इन हेल्थ जॉइंट पेन, स्ट्रेस का ध्यान रखें। इन वर्क प्लेस प्रेशर हाई बट रिकॉग्निशन इज वेरी नियर, so keep working hard. Most supportive days for Mulank 8 natives are Saturday 21st February, Wednesday 18th February. Karma reward and work progress is possible. Lucky colors for Mulank 8 for this week are dark blue and black. Lucky numbers are 8 and 4. Affirmation for Mulank 8 natives for the week is, my patience build lasting success. I repeat, my patience build lasting success. Mulank 9, Mulank 9, born on 9th, 18th, 27th of any month, they are ruled by Mars energy. In career, high energy week, bold decision wisely lay. In romance, passion strong, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अवॉइड करें। इन हेल्थ माइनर इंजरीज से बचकर चलना है। एट वर्क प्लेस कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट इज पॉसिबल, काम फोकस रखें, बी काम। मोस्ट सपोर्टिव डेज फॉर Mulank 9 फॉर दिस वीक आर Tuesday 17th February एंड Sunday 22nd February। एनर्जी पीक पर रहेगा, लीडरशिप बूस्ट होने के बहुत चांसेस हैं। Lucky colors for Mulank 9 is red for this week. Lucky numbers are 9 and 1. Affirmation for Mulank 9 for the week, I channel my energy into positive actions. Numerology एक spiritual guidance tool है. This is a gentle just 5 disclaimer. ये मेडिकल, लीगल या फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस का सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है। सबसे पावरफुल वाइब्रेशन आपका फ्री विल है। नंबर्स डायरेक्शन देते हैं, लेकिन डिसीजन आप खुद लेते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में, तब तक याद रखिए, आपके कदम ही आपकी डेस्टिनी लिखते हैं। आई रिपीट, आपके कदम ही आपकी डेस्टिनी लिखते हैं। जस्ट 5 को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।